Hello. That was fast. I was about 2 minutes early. I thought I'll just set it up. Hi, creator Ashwin. Hi, Venkat. Mahesh Gupta. Hello. Likhit Saran. Hello. Krishnameni. Hello. Okay, you'll have to bear with me because these messages go really fast. So I'll have to. It'll take some time to catch up with that list. So bear with me if I don't say your name. And I'm also new at this, so forgive me. I feel like I'm talking to myself. I wish I could see you all, and we could have a conversation. Singer Malit, Rishi, Iramana Rosavi, Sharmugapriya, I am yours, Raki. How are you? I'm very well. I'm doing really good, Malit. Thank you so much. Hi, Shivatmika, Hima Bindu. My voice is low. I don't know how to figure this out, but is it okay? Let me know if that is good. Hello, Cha, Kadal Sadhguru, please in this session. Man, I have sung more songs than Kadal Sadhguru. Hi, Nani, Vasuki Viswanathan. Can you? Sorry, it's too fast. I need to. I'm good, Mani Stills. I'm doing well. Good evening, bro. Hello, Charan Garu. How is Balu Garu? Balu Garu is doing very well. Thank you so much. Voice is too feeble. Keep updating me. I don't know what else to do. I keep trying. Let me see if I can bring my my cable earphones. Hi, Singer Swagata. Hold on a second, please. Please bear with me. Hello, hello, hello. Can you hear me better? Is this better? How is this? Can somebody please update me? Hello. How to contact you if I have a good story for a movie? You can just send me the synopsis at Charan at Capital Film. That should be good enough, I think. Hi, Abhirami Army. Yes, sir, you're my favorite singer. Thank you, Pavi Paritala. Thank you, Pavi. Yes, sir, we can hear you. Yes, perfect. So it's all fine, I think. We are up, and there are a lot of requests for go live with me. So I think, should I accept them? I don't know. How does this work? It's feeling like I'm seeing SP Shailaja Garu. Okay, thank you. Charan, yes. Mithun Devadas. Hi, sir, I'm Julia. Hi, Julia from Malaysia. Lots of love from Malaysia. Yes, lots of love from Malaysia. Thank you so very much. How about SPB, sir? Yes, how about him? Bring Pallavi Akka to Insta Live. She's very shy, but if I can convince her, I will definitely try to bring her to a live with me one day. I'm sure that will be a fun session with me and her conversing about our old days. A lot of people are asking me to talk in Tamil. I have people logged in who are hi Yugi, who are not Tamil. They are Telugu also. So it is only fair that I speak in English, so everybody can understand. Hi Nazri, Nadil. Okay, do I just go about answering? I mean, just saying your names, or should I just? Hi Trilok. You're my favorite singer. I am. Thank you so much. Thank you. You're too kind. There are a lot of worthy singers there, but me being your favorite gives me a lot of responsibility to sing better. Singer Satvik, hi sir, how are you? I've dedicated a song for you to in my Insta. Please do listen. I shall do that when I get a chance. Thank you. Yugendra and Vasudevan, 3 others sent a request to be on the video live. Let me see. Okay. Okay, let me add Yugi. Okay, waiting for Yugendra and Vasudevan. Hello, penciler, Mango Penciler. Oh, Mango Penciler, I think you're the guy who did all the artwork, I think, right? Hey, hi, Yugi.
Hi.
நல்ல வேளை I was
So,
feeling
how's
that,
everything?
everything is good. நான் ஏதோ தனியா பேசிட்டு இருந்த மாதிரியே ஒரு ஃபீலிங்கா இருந்துச்சு. Thanks for coming in and யாரோ அதிகாரம் எப்படி இருக்குன்னு கேட்டாங்க. அதிகாரம் வந்து நிக்கிது அப்படியே பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் த லாக்டவுன் we're not able to shoot. என்ன நடந்துட்டு இருக்கு? என்ன டைம் ஆச்சுங்க நியூசிலாந்துல?
10:30.
ஓகே, டின்னர்லாம் சாப்பிட்டு முடிச்சிருப்பீங்க. ஓகே, மை இமெயில் அட்ரஸ் இஸ் send it to info@capitalfilmworks.in. You can send your synopsis and your bio to info@capitalfilmworks.in. Thank you. Hi Charan and Yugi. Chandra Ravi says hi.
Chandra Ravi from Dubai.
அப்புறம் ஹாய் சரண்யா மோர்.
என்ன தெரியுமா, ஒருத்தர நீ பேர் பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தேன்னா உனக்கு வந்து
இல்ல ஏதோ கேள்வி கேட்பாங்களா எது பண்றாங்களான்னு தெரியல, அதுக்கு பதில் சொல்லணுமா எப்படின்றது
இல்ல. இது வந்து நார்மலா போயிட்டு இருக்கோம். நீ இப்போ திடீர்னு தான் யாராவது கேள்வி கேட்பாங்க. முதல்ல நிறைய பேர் ஹலோ சார் தான். நல்ல ஹாய் சார்.
ஆமா, somebody says pin it. I don't know how to pin it. எப்படி பின் பண்றதுன்னு தெரியல.
எனக்கும் தெரியல. ஓகே, சிங்கர் சாங்ல போட்டாங்க. இப்ப பாட்டு பாடலாம்.
சிங்கர் சாங். somebody asked for what ఎక్కడెక్కడ ఉందో తారక. ఎక్కడ ఉందో తారక, నాలో ఉక్కిరి బిక్కిరి ఊహలు రేపే గోపిక, నా కోసమే తడుక్కన్నదో, నా పేరునే పిలుస్తున్నదో, ఏ ఊరే అందమా ஆச்சுக்கி அந்துமா. தேங்க்ஸ். காதல் சடுகுடு. காதல் சடுகுடு பாடலாங்க. காதல் சடுகுடு மட்டும்தான், நான் நிறைய பாட்டு இருக்கு, அது நிறைய பாடலாமே. காதல் சடுகுடு. சாரி, ஐ நீட் டு ஆஸ்க் ஃபார் எவ்ரிபடிஸ் அப்பாலஜிஸ் பிகாஸ் இஸ் மை காஃபி டைம். ஐ லவ் மை ஃபில்டர் காஃபி. எங்க வீட்டில் வந்து அருமையா காஃபி போடுவாங்க. ஸோ ஐ எம் ஃபீலிங் ஃப்ரீ, ஸோ யூ கைஸ் கேன் ஃபீல் ஃப்ரீ டு. எப்படி ஒரு அருமையான ஒரு காஃபி
இப்படிதான் இருக்கு. கும்பகோணம் டிகிரி காபி மாதிரி.
பிரபு வந்து காஃபி குடிச்சு
இல்ல, அந்த இது ஒண்ணு இருக்கு, காஃபே காஃபி டேல போயிட்டு பிரபு கேட்ட மாதிரி
ஃபில்டர் காஃபி கேட்டா. அது பேர் என்னன்னா
பேர் அது இல்ல, ஏதோ ஒரு
கேன் யூ சிங் ஓல்ட் சீரியல் சாங் ஊஞ்சல். சத்தியமா எனக்கு ஞாபகம் இல்லைங்க.
ஊஞ்சல் துருப்பிடிச்சிருச்சுங்க.
ஐ நோ, ஊஞ்சல் துருப்பிடிச்சது. ஸ்குவீக்கிங். முன்பனியா ஸ்மால் லைன் ப்ளீஸ் சார். முன்பனியா ஸ்மால் லைன்.
அது
புரியாத உறவில் நின்றேன், அறியாத சுகங்கள் கண்டேன், மாற்றம் தந்தவள் நீதானே. பனியா முதல் மழையா என் மனதில் ஏதோ விழுகிறதே உயிர் நனைகிறதே. Hi Tulasi. Hi Tejasvi Kadambi. Tejasvi is a very good Veena player. I've seen her videos. She's really good. Sir, please sing song from Malaysia. From Malaysia எப்படிங்க நான் பாட்டு பாடுறது? நான் சென்னையில இருக்கேன். How can I sing from Malaysia?
Hello from Malaysia. அதான் சொல்லுங்க.
Yes, please sing from Malaysia. I meant Manile song from Malay. Swagata, நீ கொஞ்சம் இருமா.
தேவன் shared the song கம்பனூர் கண்ணிலையில. அந்த
அப்பா பாடின ஒரு Father's Day song தானே. What a beautiful composition. It's an amazing song. நான் அப்போல இருந்து I've been telling Devan that he should do music for films. பட் எதுக்கு டினை பண்ணிட்டே இருந்தான், சான்ஸே இல்லைன்னு. பட் ஹீஸ் அ வெரி குட் சென்சிபிள் மியூசிக் டைரக்டர். he should think about doing music for films.
இல்ல அவனோட திங் ஆக்சுவலி ஹிஸ் காட் a different tone totally from what
Exactly.
like
He's got a lot of Western influence on him, and his jazz is brilliant. He does a lot of jazz music. It's extraordinary. Summer talent. அவன் கார்ட் ப்ரோக்ரஷன்ஸ் எல்லாமே வந்து வேற லெவல்ல இருக்கும்.
அதுதான் சொல்ல வரேன். பிகாஸ் அந்த சாங்லயே பார்த்தனா, அந்த அப்பா பாடின அங்கிள் பாடின சாங்லயே அந்த வயலன்ஸ் எல்லாம் வேற மாதிரி இருக்கு சவுண்டிங். இப்ப கேட்கும் போது இது வந்து 20 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னாடி அவன் பண்ணது.
இது ஒரு பாரு, there's some magic in your voice and SOB sir too. SOB னா என்னன்னு தெரியுமா? லிக்கிதாக்சரன். கொஞ்சம் அந்த ஸ்பெல்லிங் மட்டும் பாத்துக்கோங்க. லிக்கிதாக்சரன்.
அவரு ஒரு கையில காபி குடிச்சிட்டே டைப் பண்றாங்க போல இருக்கு. ஒரு விரல்ல தப்பா வந்துருச்சு. சரண் காரு யாரோ சொல்லிருக்காங்க என்னமோ. சரண் காரு I was part of SPB at Dallas. Dallasல யாரோ டிங்கு RR.
Okay, hi Tinku. How are you, Tinku? Tinku. Oh yeah, Charan Garu, I was part of SPB 50 at Dallas. It was a dream come true seeing you all. Memorable. Thank you, Tinku. I'm glad you reconnected with me. Yes, it was an amazing tour that we had. Swagata was a part of that tour as well. We traveled the whole world with SPB 50 and it was an amazing celebration. And thanks for being a part of it. Thank you so very much.
இது வந்து நம்ம சிவா எல்லாம் அந்த டைம் அந்த ஷோவா?
This was in 2018, 2017 and 18. We started 2017, upper 50th year in the industry. So I did a whole world tour. We did Russia, Dubai, Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka, the first Indian Tamil show after the war. Colombo, the central Colombo, we had done a show. So on the Mari, Russia, we did in the palace. So first time ever palace la vandu or commercial show nadந்துச்சு. Sivatmika wants to know my height. I don't know Sivatmika. I don't know. I'm 6 feet 5 inches tall.
யாரு எங்க இருந்து இல்ல எங்க இருந்து மணி இந்த மாதிரி கேள்வி எல்லாம் யோசிக்கிற?
Siddhartha Human. Sir, Telugu please. Namaskaram Siddhartha. Siddhartha is a Telugu human. Okay. Sir, please sing Manguile Punguile. Rishi Harini. Hi Rishi, how are you? She's one of my big fans. She keeps doing a lot of posting on my behalf also. Can you share a funny incident between you and SPB, sir? There are so many. One will take up a lot of time. So let's just progress. There is a lot of time. I will be coming online regularly. So I will give you a lot of anecdotes, definitely. I am asking how you are, D's Hive. Yes, thank you, D's Hive. I am doing well. And they're getting angry at me for not responding to them. I have already mentioned that SPB sir is very well. I will be singing Machaleru Chitta Garu. Surely I will sing. Sorry, sir. By seeing you, I'm happy and didn't see what I was typing. It's okay, Likhit. It was just a joke. Don't worry about it. Hi, Yugi sir. How life goes on in New Zealand?
Everything is fine. We are back to 16 cases now. We were in 0 for 24 days and we are back to 16 cases. Thanks to our PM. Don't know what's going to happen now.
Congratulations. Yeah.
Kangaru relation தான்.
Manos Srinivas வந்து is asking, did you sing கல்யாணம் தான் கட்டிக்கிட்டு ஓடி போலாமா from Sami?
ஒரு பாதி ஒரு part of the song I sang. Actually I sang the full song, but the music director changed the voice, so can't do anything. யாரோ ஒரு தெலுங்கு பாட்டு கேட்டுறாங்க. வேண்டாம் அணுவன் உண்ணா வேதம் அணு
அணுவணுல வேதம் அணுவணுல நாதம்
அந்த பாட்டு
பஞ்ச பிராணால நாட்டிய வினோதம். காஃபி குடிக்கும் போது வாயில அப்படியே அந்த சாலிவேட் ஆகுதா, அந்த மாதிரி கஷ்டமான ஒரு சாங்ஸ்
Mm.
அது கொஞ்சம். தேங்க்ஸ்
In
பிஎஸ்
நம்ம பாட்டுல
ரேகா. ஓகேடா யுகி, லெட் மீ ட்ரை டு கேட்ச் அப் வித்
tell
தீஸ்
us
கைஸ். ஓகே,
something. Yeah. Okay, okay.
யா தேங்க்ஸ் ரா, டேக்
Bye,
கேர்,
bye,
லவ்
bye.
டு த ஃபேமிலி டா,
No problem,
பாய்.
no problem. You take your time. Bye.
Had an amazing experience meeting you all. Benny, thank you so much. Ask me something, a specific question. Please bring SPB sir into life. SPB sir has a YouTube channel. It's called SP Balasubramaniam. You can go and check him out. He has videos up every Friday. He talks about a lot of interesting things that went on in his musical journey, the people that he has met, and all of that. So you should go and check him out. Sir, can you please sing Vedam Anugunaladam? I had sung a couple of lines in that. Thank you. What else? Love from Tanjavur. Hi, Saro. Thank you so much. Sir, this is 4th time I'm asking to sing Nenu Nenuga Lene. Okay, Machaleru Chittagaru. You seem to be in a rush. Nenu Nenuga Lene. Ninna Monnala. లేనిపోని ఊహల్లో ఏమిటో ఇలా ఉన్నపాటుగా ఏదో కొత్త జన్మలా ఇప్పుడే ఇక్కడే పుట్టినట్టుగా. Thank you for the request. Thank you so very much. I will try to sing most of the songs, but unfortunately, it's because I might not know the lyrics or something like that. But I'll try to see if I can hum. The D's Hive, you're bored. Okay, get yourself a cup of coffee and sit down. Hi Arvind, how are you? Maja, what a day. Nagila is Kadal Sadugudu again. Okay, I will keep that towards the end. So, I'll have a lot more people sticking around. Mellaga Karagani. Mellaga Karagani, Rendu Manasula Duram, Valapu Vanagarale, పంపుతున్నది ఆకాశం తడిపి తనతో నడిపి హరివిల్లును వంతెన వేసిన శుభవేళ ఈ వర్షం సాక్షిగా తెలపని నువ్వు నాకే సొంతం ఈ వర్షం సాక్షిగా కలపని బంధం. Thanks for asking, Shailaja. Actually, coincidentally, that song in Tamil, when we had sang that song, I had changed the lyrics. Ivasham Sakshiga Telepanino Nake Sontam. The character's name we had changed to Shailaja. And that chorus bit we would have changed the lyrics to I love you, Shailaja, Shailaja, oh Shailu. I love you, Shailaja, Shailu. And whenever I sing this song on stage with my aunt Shailaja, it is such a momentous thing because it's fun. I can see her blush. Hi sir, how are you and your sweet appa? We are doing well, Malit. Thank you so very much. In your voice, always magic. Thank you. Hi Vasundhara. Hi Rishi. I don't know how to save this, Rishi. I'm not sure, but I'll see if I can. Your singing is very nice, sir. Singer Sarath. Thank you, Sarath. Yogeshwar. Attuvale Sandalirupu from Surya, son of Krishna. I think you're asking for Thoduvanam Sivandu Pogum, Tolai Duram Kurendu Pogum, Karehindra Nodigalil, Nanerungi Vandene, O Shanti, O Shanti, Yen Uirei Ni Yendi. ஏன் சென்றாய் என்னை நீங்கி நான் வந்தேன் உன்னை தேடி. Something about Adhigaram. Adhigaram is a web series, Kev, and it is being shot in Chennai. It is a political drama. I am directing it. Unfortunately, because of the lockdown, we are not able to progress the shoot, but hopefully soon we should be able to finish it off. Love from Penang. Thank you, sir. Tripsa, what is your health tips to be fit and maintain slim body? I walk every day, but only since the lockdown has started, I've been walking. Otherwise, I'm not sure. I'm not the right person to give you tips on how to take care of your health. I'm sorry, sir, I'm being honest. Explore in this quarantine. I have explored the guitar. I have a loyal guitar that has been with me since 2003. I have ignored it for so many years, but since the lockdown has started, I have seriously started learning it. I am learning. I'm still a baby trying to not even crawl, but I am learning the guitar. So that's something new that I've been exploring about myself. Thank you, Moreira. I'm sorry, the names are too big with your mother. What about my mother? Shantini. Hi, Shantini. Murugan Rekha, are you into movie direction, sir? I'm doing a web series right now, so I'm not sure if I will do a movie yet. If the script is good, I don't know. I'm totally concentrating on Adhigaram for now, so that's keeping my mind occupied. So I cannot think about directing a cinema yet. Everybody who are joining me a little late, I am doing well. My dad is well. We're all safe. So let's bypass that one question and then we can go to something else. Pushpadya. Okay, we get that sorted out. What else is going on? Hi. There is no movie direction, Doreen. It's a web series. Hi, sir. Diana here. Love from Penang. Hi, Diana. Thank you so much. Hi, Chinu Priya. Okay, unforgettable concert for you and experience could you share? Well, the whole tour of SPP 50 that we did of 2017, 18 and 19 are very unforgettable. So it's that tour itself was very stressful, hardworking, and we had a very successful tour. There were a lot of countries that we wanted to touch, like Japan and some Germany and most of the European countries, but unfortunately we couldn't do it. But hopefully we will do another show, another tour sometime soon. என்னை காணவில்லையே என்னை காணவில்லையே நேற்றோடு எங்கும் தேடி பார்க்கிறேன் காற்றோடு உயிரோடி போனதோ உன்னோடு அன்பே ఎక్కడ ఎక్కడ ఉందో తారక. I did sing it, Shailaja garu. Thank you so much. Sir, please sing ఏమంటారో ఏమంటారో నాకు నీకున్న ఇదిని ఏమంటారో నీకు నువ్వైన అదిని తూసే తరిరి తరారే రారరా తరిరి అదా ఇదా యథా విధామని ఏమంటారో. Thank you, Swagata Varnamalan. Secret to your weight loss. It's a secret. Thank you, Tulasi. Em chesavu na manasu. Em chesavu na manasu. Needaipoyindi. ఏదేమైనా నిన్ను వదిలి రానని అంటుంది. నిన్ను చూసి జతగా ఆడానా సరదాలా కేళి ఇక చూడు రోజు అయిపోదా సరసాలా హోలీ. నీరారా నారీరా ఇక లోకంలో ఏదైనా పోతే పోనీ. Thank you. One of my favorite songs that I've sung for Mani Sharma. He's given me such beautiful numbers. Thank you, Mani Garu. Manmadhudu song, I did just sing Nenu Nenu Galini. I will know what a voice. Thank you, sir. Okay. Ayyo Ninjalayudadi. Ayyo Ninjalayudadi. Agayam Eppuvalayudadi. என் வீட்டில் மின்னல் ஒளியுதடி என் மேல நிலா பொழியுதடி உன்னை பார்த்த அந்த நிமிஷம் உறைஞ்சி போச்சே நகரவே இல்லை தின்ன சோறும் செகிக்கவே இல்லை புலம்புறேன் நானே வாசம் அடிக்கிற காத்து கூட நடக்கிறது ஏன் சேவ கூவுற சத்தம் பேரா கேட்கிறதே ஓ ஐயோ நெஞ்சு அலையுதடி ஆகாயம் இப்போ வளையுதடி. Thanks for asking the song. Thank you. Somebody said it's their sister's birthday. Happy birthday, Sridevi. God bless you. Stay safe. Good luck. Sir, Appa song. Appa song, you can listen to it anytime, no? Thank you, Sharja Garu. Who else? Preeti Prabha. Sir, I met you once in IKEA, Hyderabad. Okay. I don't know if you had come up to me and said hi, but hello again. Tell us something that you have explored in this quarantine. I have answered that, Tejasvi Garu. Hopefully waiting for Adhikaram. I'm also hopefully waiting for Adhikaram. And your favorite Abhirami is doing a lead in that. She's a brilliant actor. And yes, she's doing a very good job for me. Thank you. ரோஜாவை தாலாட்டும் தென்றல் பொன்மேகம் நம் பந்தல் உன் கூந்தல் என் ஊஞ்சல் என் வார்த்தை சங்கீதங்கள் ரோஜாவை தாலாட்டும் தென்றல் பொன்மேகம் நம் பந்தல். I'm just seeing a name of a song and I'm just singing off. I know sometimes I might be off tune. I'm just trying to entertain you guys, so please bear with me. Experience when I was doing IAO, it was different. It's a long story since it is a 1 hour chat, so let's try to keep that away. I will tell you a story about that soon. Hi Navarasu, awesome guy. Hi, awesome guy. Sashi Vijay, I'm a big fan, sir. Thank you so much. K7, can you say one hi, sir? Hi, K7. I just sang ఏమంటారు, థ్యాంక్ యూ, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫ్రమ్ గుడుంబా శంకర్. ఎస్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. తెలుగు మూవీ డైరెక్ట్ చేయండి చరణ్ గారు. ఒకటి చేసేస్తాను కావ్య గారు, అది అయిపోయిన దాకా ఐ విల్ డూ తెలుగు. థ్యాంక్ యూ మురుగన్ రేఖా, థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ ద విషెస్. Alia Creations, hello, hi. Hi sir, I'm from Sri Lanka. Hi. One of my favorite countries, Sri Lanka. I never hesitate to go there whenever I have a chance. It's been a while though. I want to go back there sometime soon. And I want to go to the countryside. I've been to Jaffna, I've been to Colombo, but I want to go to Norelia, Kandy and all the other beautiful places that I've only heard of. I would really like to go there. ఏమంటారు, పాడానండి ఇప్పుడే నేను, వసుంధర గారు, నేను ఇప్పుడే పాడాను ఆ సాంగ్. సో ప్లీజ్ లెట్స్ ట్రై టు డూ సంథింగ్ ఎల్స్. ప్లీజ్ సింగ్. అదో ఆవారా మూవీలో నాకు సాంగ్స్ తెలియదండి, నన్ను సారీ, ప్లీజ్ ఫర్గివ్ మీ. హౌ యూ ఫీల్ బై సీయింగ్ దిస్ లవ్ ఫ్రమ్ యువర్ ఫ్యాన్స్? ఓ, ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఓవర్వెల్మింగ్. దిస్ ఇస్ ఎవ్రీ టైమ్ I come on live, or I even think about going live, I don't know what the response will be. I'm very skeptical and afraid how it will go, and but the response is just amazing, and it's yeah, I love it. I seriously do love it. This is Sumant from Vijayawada. Hi Sumant from Vijayawada. Rama Saranya, hello, hi. Which is my favorite country of all that you have visited so far? Well, it keeps changing, Darshini. It keeps changing because Sri Lanka is very beautiful country. I like that place. America is very close to my heart because I almost literally grew up there. I was there for about 8 years studying. So New York is one of my favorite cities, and I love US. I'd love to travel around US. Yeah, people are a little dumb, but then again, the country is beautiful. Singapore is really attracts me quite a bit. But so far, right now, Malaysia, it is KL. The greenery there, the people there, so warm, so beautiful. So right now, yes, it is right now. Malaysia is my favorite place. Sir, please sing Em Chesavo from Yajnam. I just did sing that, Teju Garu. I cannot keep singing same song over and over, Kadandi. Sir, do you know Sarveshwar Rao sir and his daughter Geeta? I might know them right now, Priyanka. I'm not sure if I'm able to recollect them. If you say hi to them for me, okay? Manmadhudu is Nenu Nenuga Leni Ninna Munnala లేనిపోని ఊహల్లో ఏవిటో ఇలా ఉన్న పాటుగా ఏదో కొత్త జన్మలా ఇప్పుడే ఇక్కడే పుట్టినట్టుగా. అయ్యో నెంజు అలయుదడి. My name is Priya Anna. Hi, I sang that song, Priya, so I'm sorry. What type of series in Adhigaram, sir? What type of series is Adhigaram? Adhigaram is a political drama. It is about the political situation that in Tamil Nadu. It is based on the reality, but a lot of fiction in it. So yeah, it's a political drama. Yes. யாரோ யாருக்குள் இங்கு யாரோ யாரோ யாருக்குள் இங்கு யாரோ யார் நெஞ்சை இங்கு யார் தந்தாரோ விடையில்லா ஒரு கேள்வி. Thank you. Well, the next top, I think, asked for that song. Rishi Harini asked for Manguile Pungile. மாங்குயிலே பூங்குயிலே சேதி ஒண்ணு கேளு, உன்ன மாலையிட தேடி வரும் நாளு எந்த நாளு, முத்து முத்து கண்ணால நான் சுத்தி வந்தேன் பின்னாலே, மாங்குயிலே பூங்குயிலே சேதி ஒண்ணு கேளு, உன்ன மாலையிட தேடி வரும் நாளு எந்த நாளு. Thank you. Thanks for asking that, Rishi. Hi, Blueby, RB Bala. Good luck, Priyanka, for learning Hindustani. There are a lot of people requesting to come live. Let me see if I can do that. Let's see. Naro Pantsan, Julia Lia, Renuka Morgan, Nisla Nakshta. Okay, this name sounds interesting. Let me try. Nisla Nakshta. Okay. Cool, Preeti, thank you. Can you sing எனக்காக பிறந்தாயே எனதழகி, இருப்பேனே மனசெல்லாம் உனை எழுதி, உனக்கு வாக்கப்பட்டு வருஷங்க போனா என்ன போகாது என்னோட பாசம், எனக்கு உண்மையிலதான் ஆசை தன்னானா தன்னானா, எனக்காக பிறந்தாயே எனதழகி. We miss you in Super Singer. I miss Super Singer a lot. I miss hanging out with the kids, Chitra Amma, Kalpana, Shankar sir. I heard the show is doing really well. I hope they come back to shoot really quick and they air quickly. Hello sir, tell us your experience in Super Singer. It was fun. It was a lot of fun with the children. I would look forward to hanging out with the kids every week. Tuesdays shooting nadakum, and the preparation, no preparation or anything. The kids worked really, really hard. I wish them all the best for the winners and all those people. The new batch as well. So good luck to all of them. Hi Kavya, love you so much, sir. Jabastin, thank you, sir. Thank you so very much. Shailaja, ekkada undo taraka. I did sing it, Shailaja garu. How was your experience with Janaki Amma? I have not interacted with her much professionally. I did do a tour with her, thanks to Abdul Hamid uncle, the great voice. Mr. Abdul Hamid sir had taken me to a tour with Janaki Garu, quite a many places. Sri Lanka, we did Colombo, we did a few shows, and in Malaysia we did a few shows, and she's such a sweetheart. I mean, she's so encouraging to be, on stage with her and singing along with her. It's just amazing. Hi JC Anish, hi Siddharth, hi. Avunu prema kadanna, అవునన్న ప్రేమే కాదన్న ప్రేమే నందనన తరనన తరనన. Charan garu, do you cook? Yes, I do cook a bit, very limited. I don't have a big spread of dishes that I can cook. I can cook though, I can survive. Priyadarshini, happy birthday Priyadarshini. Have a great day tomorrow. Toduvanam, I did sing it, I think. Let's move on. Hey Charan sir, much love from Malaysia. Thank you, Naveen Kumar. Preeti, okay. Saroja Persin, still best. Thank you so much. Yeah, we had a great time shooting that. We shot that in somewhere in now Telangana. It was great fun. All night shoots. Tiring but good fun. துளி துளி குதிக்குது நெஞ்சம் மேனகா மேக். துளி துளி குதிக்குது நெஞ்சம் என் அருகில் வந்து நின்ற காதலே காதலே சுகம்தானா என்னடன் தரரி தரா தரரி தரா அன்பே நானே கடல் தாண்டினாய் காவிரியாரேன் பழி வாங்கினாயோ துள்ளி துள்ளி குதிக்குது நெஞ்சம் இன்னருகில் வந்து நின்ற காதலே காதலே சுகந்தானா. So the movie's name is Rishi. Yuvan Shankar Raja's music, one of my favorite songs that I had sung for Yuvan. Thanks Yuvan sir for that beautiful song. Mandile Mandile, I had sung it, Renu sir, ma'am. Your experience with Janaki Amma, I did mention it. I think it's just a repeat. Can you please sing Unakkaga Pirandene? I just did Tejasri Datta. Hi sir, Anita from London. Can you sing Yaro? I did sing it. Thank you so much. One word about Chitra ma'am. Angel. That's the one word. Will Adhikaram go to Netflix or Prime? So far, it will be Prime. I'm not sure whether we will go to Netflix. We have a contract with Prime, but there is a clause in the contract saying that we can explore other OTT platforms as well. So I don't know. So far, we'll probably stick with Prime. Sir, please, Yanakkaga Pirandaye. Shanmuga Priya, I just sang Yanakkaga Priya Pirandaye. Please understand that, I cannot keep singing the same song over and over. Did you ever feel that you didn't get much recognition when you're singing just because of your familiarity of your voice with your father? I don't know, Sandeep. I'm not sure why that is the case. Well, I don't want to investigate why I didn't get much of an opportunity, but I probably think this is okay. This is my logic to it. SPB is still actively singing, and when that is the case, they wouldn't want another clone, so I guess that's the reason why I didn't fare much. And also the expectations of 30 years. I think dad was into his 30th year or so when I entered the industry, or a little more, I think 33, 34, I think. So the expectations of me being that good, where he was 30 years, was not fair to me, because I'm not a trained singer. That people didn't know about it, and they thought, SPB's son should sing, like Sachin Tendulkar's son has to bat. I don't get the logic in it, but fair enough. But I'm grateful that I have some brilliant songs, and most of my songs are hits. I'm happy with that. Punita Amuda Selvi, hi Punita. Please don't forget to save the live, sir. Rishi, I don't know how to do that, Rishi. I'll see how to do it. So a lot of people are asking for Kadal Sadhguru. Where is SPB sir? SPB sir, this time of the evening, he should be having his nap. So he'll be in his room. Everybody's asking for Kadal Sadhguru. So let me just finish it and get it over with. நீராட்டும் நேரத்தில் என்னன்னையாகின்றாய், வானாட்டும் நேரத்தில் என் பிள்ளையாகின்றாய். நானாக தொட்டாலோ முள்ளாகி போகின்றாய், நீயாக தொட்டாலோ பூவாக ஆகின்றாய். என் தண்ணீர் என் கண்ணீர் எல்லாமே நீ அன்பே, என் இன்பம் என் துன்பம் எல்லாமே நீ அன்பே, என் வாழ்வும் என் சாவும் உன் கண்ணில் நசைவிலே. Thank you. Sir, how are you, sir? I'm well. Good evening from Malaysia. Hi from Malaysia. Did you ever feel that the reason you didn't... Okay, I think they just keep looping. Hi to my mom, Bhuvana Dureswamy. Hi, please say hi to your mom, please. Lovely voice. Thank you so much. Who else? Arunachalam, hi. Sulochana Sulo, hi. Okay, let me see if I can find somebody who wants to go live with me. Keyboard Prasanna official. Parimala Ruku. Okay, let's try to see if Prasanna is interested in going live. Anushya, Vanakkam, Vannam Konda Vennilave. One of my favorite songs. Yeah, let me see if Prasanna is coming online. Sir, your voice is audio not matching. Okay, that's probably a technical problem, Muthulakshmi ji. Please bear with me. Your Tamil pronouncements super and perfect. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Balu Mama. Song Tulsa Manasa. Balu Mama. Okay. Somebody is asking for Kannana Kanne. No, I cannot sing that song. It's a very good song. I have not practiced it. Sid Sriram has done a great job, so I don't want to risk singing that. Okay, I think this hand icon means bye. Okay, Abhirami Army, take care. Some who asked for Yennado Tiriponi రుణముగా ఉండిపో దరరి మారిన ప్రాణమే నిరిన మన ఈనాల మిగలాలి తుదిలేని చరితగా తెలుసా మనసా ఇది ఏనాటి అనుబంధము తరిమినారు కాలాలు 7 లోకాలు చేరలేని ఒడిలో విరహపు జాడలేనాడు వేడి కన్నేసి చూడలేని జతలో శత జన్మాల బంధాల బంగారు క్షణమిది తెలుసా మనసా ఇది ఏనాటి అనుబంధము. Okay, thank you for asking for that song. What else is going on? Somebody have a conversation with me. Already sang Kadal Sadguru. Yes, I already sang Kadal Sadguru Gauri. Please come live with your dad. Okay, I will try to come live. Manasanta Nuve song, sir, please. మనసంతా నువ్వే మనసంతా నువ్వే మనసంతా నువ్వే నా మనసంతా నువ్వే ఏ ఏ ఏ Srivarshini, I have already sung Kadal Sadguru. You joined me late. I'm sorry. Speak in Tamil, sir. 0 scorer. What difference does it make which language I speak in 0 scorer? Really? எந்த மொழி இருந்தாலும் என்ன, எல்லா மொழியும் நம்ம மொழி தானே, எல்லாருக்கும் புரியணுன்றதுக்காக தானே நான் வந்து இங்கிலீஷ்ல பேசிக்கிட்டு இருக்கேன். இட்ஸ் ஓகே. ஓகே, நான் போகிறேன் மேலே மேலே பூலோகமே காலின் கீழே விண்மீன்களின் பூக்கள் என் மேலே தடுமாறி போனேன் அன்றே உன்னை பார்த்த நேரம் அடையாளம் இல்லா ஒன்றே கண்டேன் நெஞ்சில் நோரம் ஏன் உன்னை பார்த்தேன் என்றே உள்ளம் கேள்வி கேட்கும் ஆனாலும் நெஞ்சம் அந்த நேரத்தை நேசிக்கும் நான் Thanks for asking for that song. Hi Darshana, hi Dees, hi. Your favorite food? I love food. It doesn't matter which it is. Vegetarian though. Kadal Sadguru Gauri, I have already sung it. Love you, sir. Sasidharan. Thank you so much, Sasi. I love you too. Your singing is awesome. Thank you. You're too kind, Rama Saranagaru. Sir, can you please? Ennakkaga Porandai? Yes, I can, but I have already done it. Mandile also I have sung it. Lots of love and namaskarams to Tejas. Hi Teju, how are you Teju? Love to the family. Say hi to everybody. Can I do live with SPP sir? If he's willing to do live with me, I don't mind. Let's see. Let me try to get his appointment and see if I'm able to do it. But the setup will be much better. It will be a different setup. We'll try to do it. ஜாம்போ இது காதல் செய்யும் நேரம் நீ அளவாக என்னை கொடு. Can you sing விழாமலே இருக்க முடியுமா? விழுந்து விட்டேன் காதல் வலையிலே. நிஜந்தான் நிஜந்தான் இங்க கனவுகளும் தொல்லை தாங்கல. விழாமலே இருக்க முடியுமா? விழுந்து விட்டேன் காதல் வலையிலே. உன் மேல ஆசைப்பட்டு உள்ளுக்குள்ள விருப்பப்பட்டு ரணத்தனத்தூரப்பட்டு கட்டுக்கீரியா. சார் கேன்யூ தந்த அழகிய வாழ்வு, கடவுள் தந்த அழகிய வாழ்வு, உலகம் முழுதும் அவனது வீடு, கண்கள் மூடியே வாழ்த்து பாடு. You miss Jack and Ginger. Oh, how do you know about Jack and Ginger? Yes, I miss all my pups that I've lost through my life. Right now I have Figo, Rico and Pogo. 3 rowdy rascals, but I love them a lot. மன்றம் வந்த தென்றலுக்கு மஞ்சம் வர நெஞ்சம் இல்லையோ அன்பே என் அன்பே. Hi Sasidaran. When do we start shoot, sir? Hi Dave. How are you? My hero for Adhigaram. I'm not sure, Dave. If you know, please let me know. If you have any contacts in the government, number the matton, they are able to let us shoot. Maybe we can do it, Dave. How are you? Hope you're doing well. I see you are staying fit. Keep it up, boy. Unakkaga ellam unakkaga. Okay. Oh yeah, unakkaga ellam unakkaga. Yes. There is this one person who's following all my songs from all the movies. I'm really grateful. I think that was Rishi. About all Aligarh. Aligarh is a very good friend of mine and childhood friends. We literally grew up in this neighborhood, and I'm very happy and proud of him that he's achieved so much in life and he's such a great talent. Vanakkam. Somebody said Vanakkam. Who was that? Gobu. Hi Gobu. Darshana 333. Chino Collections. Pamera. Vidya Damodaran. Hi Vidya Damodaran. Srivarshini Yadav. Hi Srivarshini. Pavi Paritala. Hi, I'm just going to go through the names. Niveda, Subburaj, G.V. Bharati, Keyboard Prasanna Official. I tried to get you on, Prasanna, you didn't come on. Priyadarshini from the Stardust. Okay. Shakti Nagendran, Shanmuga Priya. You be the best. Have heard Kadal Sadugudu back and forth. Thank you so much. That was from the Stardust. Ekkada unda taraka. I did sing it, Shailaja Garu. ఎక్కడ ఉన్నా పక్కన నువ్వే. I'm not sure what that is. Sir, அப்பா பாடின பாட்டு மன்றம் வந்த தென்றலுக்கு with the humming. Sir, please. I'll just do the humming. Thanks for asking for it. One of my favorite songs also. Hello to Milan. Sir, can you please sing Shankara Nada Sharira Para? Shankara Nada Sharira Para Veda Vihara Hara Jiveshwara Shankara. சார் மன்றம் வந்த தென்றலுக்கு. தாமரை மேலே நீர்த்துளி போ தலைவனும் தலைவியும் வாழ்வதென்ன. Hi, Elanila Kanmani. Song from Manmaduru sir. Naveen Garu, I have already sang that song. Nenu Nenuga Lene. I have sung it. Sir, which language do you speak at home? We speak Telugu, Krishnaveni, at home. But once I am out of the gate, for all practical reasons, I speak Tamil a lot. I am a Tamilian and a Telugu. So I don't know how to say that. Chamaka chamaka chance chuttuko chance dorikero huiya. Sir, Malay Pon Malay from I know that that is from that highway movie, no? That Siddharth's from. I'm sorry, I don't remember that song much, so please excuse me. The G.V. Prakash's song. I know it's a beautiful song. ఎక్కడెక్కడ ఉందో త్వరగా శైలజ గారు, కమాన్ శైలజ గారు, కమప్ విత్ అనదర్ సాంగ్ అండి. అమేజింగ్ సార్, ఐఎమ్ దేవ్. దేవ్ సార్, మాలై పొన్మాలై ఫ్రమ్ ఉదయం NH4. yes, that is the movie. బోటనీ పాఠముంది మ్యాటనీ ఆటముంది ఏమిటో చెప్పరా. Srivarshini Yadav garu asked for that. Any song from your dad's playlist? Most of the songs that I'm singing right now are from his playlist. I don't think he has a playlist. I have a lot of his playlists. So, Naroptan, I thought I will hum a little bit with you, sir. Sir, can you please sing Roja Veitalatum Tendral Punmegam Nampandal? I sang it already. Unvarte Sangidangal Roja Veitalatum Tendral. Last, when you finish the live, you will get a notification. Okay, Rishi. Instructions a little later, okay? Song from Manmadhudu, sir. Nenu Nenuga Lene. Naveen, I've sang that song, Naveen. Manramada Tendralika I've sung also. Manmadhudulo, Miru Padina song. పాడండి సార్. మన్మధుడులో నేను పాడిన సాంగ్ నేను పాడానండి, ఆల్రెడీ పాడేశాను. సో ఇంకేదైనా సాంగ్స్ ఉంటే అడగండి. నైస్ సాంగ్ సార్, మై ఫేవరెట్. థ్యాంక్ యూ మతి సార్. సింగ్ వన్ కన్నడ సాంగ్. ಜೊತೆಯಲಿ ಜೊತೆಯಲಿರುವೆನು ಹೀಗೆ ಎಂದು ಹೊಸ ಹರುಷವ. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ದ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಮಚ್, ಬಟ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮೀ. ಎಂಥ ಮಾತಾಡಿದೆ ಇಂದು ನೀ, ಎಂಥ ಮಾತಾಡಿದೆ ನನ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನ ಭಾವನೆ ಹೇಗಿದೆ. ಜೊತೆಯಲಿರುವೆನು ಹೀಗೆ ಎಂದು. ಪ್ರೇಮ್, ಐ ಸ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಅಯ್ಯಯ್ಯೋ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸರ್. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ ಯು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ the book. If you send Mithun, yes, I have gotten your synopsis. I will go through it and we will get back to you. Okay, please, Mithun. Yes, we will get back to you. Thank you. A song from Adukalam. Only song from Adukalam is Ayayyo Ninjali Dedi that I had sung, and I had already sang it. Sneha, thank you for asking. Anything that you would like to talk to me about rather than me singing? Because see, I'm running out of breath. A lot of Chamaka Chamaka Cham Pushpa Diya. I've already sang it. So please forgive me. Manmaduru song is also, I've sung it. Gundello gunna dorkindi donga mudde ivanga nee moote bunga kasabusse yessai povanga chima 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 teepi chirunama prema telusukove bhama. Tejasvi asked for this song. Kadavul Tanda Kavita. I have sung Kadavul Tanda already. Chamaka Chamaka Cham I have. Ekkada Ekkada. I'm just going through a list of songs here. Is there anything that you would like to talk to me about? I think I have about 5 more minutes of life. If that's the case, sir, can you please one Kannada song? Yes, I am Hitaisini. Okay, folks, I think it's time to wrap it up. I'm getting breathless. I will end this session this time. Thank you so much for coming and interacting with me. I'm looking forward to this. Maybe we can do this on a weekly basis. If there is anything new to ask, except for Kadal Sadgudu and stuff like that. Otherwise, I just have to post videos on my own to talk to you guys. It would have been better if I had talked to you people instead of just a list. But yeah, it is really nice though. I mean, I'm getting used to this whole thing. Thanks everybody for coming on with me. Somebody asked for Pachamalapu. I'll end this whole session with that song, I think. Everybody who are joining me right now, little late, thanks for coming on. I missed you guys, and hopefully I will catch up with you all soon. காற்றோடு மலராட கார்குழலாட காதோரம் லோலாக்கு சங்கதி பாட பஞ்சனோ தேகம் கொஞ்ச வரும் மேகம் அஞ்சுகம் தூங்க கொண்டு வரும் ராகம் நிலவ வானிலவ நாம் புடிச்சு வாரேன் குயிலே பூங்குயிலே பாட்டெடுத்து தாரே ஹோய் பச்சை மலப்பூவு நீ உச்சி மலத்தேனு குத்தங்குறை ஏது நீ நந்தவனத்தேரு அழகே பொண்ணு மணி சிரிச்சா வெள்ளி மணி கிழியே கண்ணூரங்கு தூரி தூரே பச்சை மலப்பூவு நீ உச்சி மலத்தேன் குத்தங்குறை ஏது நீ நந்தவனத்தேரு. Thank you all for joining me on this interaction. It was good fun. Hopefully I will have the guts to do it again sometime soon. Stay safe, stay blessed, take care all of you, eat well, be merry, but safely. Thank you. Have a great evening. Bye bye. See ya. Tata.